Good news video presentation. Apprentice Edwin Alexander Vergara Sánchez. Instructor Guillermo Masquita. Course 9 Efficient Energy Management. National Learning Service. My daughter. His name Valerie Vergara Toro. Age 20 years old. Nationality Colombian. Birthday October 11, 2013. Occupation high school student. Favorite hobby. I like spending time with my family. I love skating. I enjoy moments with my friends. I like listening to music and making TikToks. I like going to the beach with my family. Free time activities. Him is free time. He likes to read, watch movies, el which postcode short and he and youth playing basketball and fulfilling his academic commitment. Thank you very much. Bye.